looking into more of PTX programming, we have the instruction that is move to store variables in our register. So we saw in the last lesson, we indicate here the register or 1. We can load values like such as 10 constants. Or we could have another register assigned, and we will store the value 20, for example. And to do a simple addition of values, we indicate the data type and the register that is going to store the result, and the operation of the two registers implied. So the result of R3 will be simply 30 in this case. We have different memory types of variables in PTX, where PTX support multiple memory spaces that we will have in the GPU. First, we will have registers, where these are the fastest, and the scope of these are basically threads. Then we will have also shared memory space that will be like a memory space that will be shared by all threads. So this doesn't imply like any moving like spaces in memory and so on. This is very fast, and this will go by a block. There is a block of different threads. We will have local, that this will be very slow, as we only have like one single space of memory for the thread. So there will be overhead in communication, as we will have to communicate the different like spaces in memory to all the threads for communication. We will have global memory space, that this could be same slow, and we have the scope that is for the GPU, and we have constant, we have fast access, and this will be read only will be the scope. In order to access here in our PTX for global memory access, we will indicate here LD global, the type of variable assigned 32, a register, and we will indicate this register that will be in our global access. This will be to load the register in global memory space. In order to store this global this register in global memory space, we will need to do the operation of store. We will indicate the register, in this way. To run an example, we will have, for example, load for global load 32 bits. We will load this register that will be floating point. Into this register, we will load the RD1 register. Also in this case, we will have RD as well. So we will need to load them into this way, the registers. Then we will load another register. The addition of then the registers we will have in this following way with the parent point registers. and this will be for our floating point operation addition. And then to store the value, we can insert this into RD3, and we store the value of this register. So this will be in order to store registers in the global memory space, that this would be slow to access, and this, and the scope of this is the GPU.